Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a veiled collection haul. If you like to see what I picked up from this brand, please make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and push that bell notification button so you don't miss any more uploads. And we'll get right into it. I will be doing a veiled collection haul because I'm in the process of trying to get my life back together, and this may seem like a drastic change for anybody that's been around, but it's always been like a part of my life since I was real small, and I just need to get back on the right path. So I was like, oh, I need I need to find clothes and scarves. And it's funny because there's a few YouTubers that I've watched that are Muslim. And I've been watching them for years, like Aisha Haroon, like she's like one of my favorite YouTubers. And one of her recent videos, she was talking about a brand called Veiled Collection. So I went on the website and I saw like a few things that I liked, but I'm like, ooh, the clothes are so like pricey. Like the dress I have on right now, it was $95. And then there was this girl that I found, just Briance, and she did a haul with Veiled Collection. But when I went on the website, I saw that they were having a Ramadan sale on the hijabs, and they were on sale for $5.99. So I picked up a bunch. I picked up a ton of hijabs. So, and then I picked up this dress. So we can get right into everything that I picked up. One of the first things I picked up two undercaps. And they come in this packaging. I have one on right now. And then I have one, this is like a nude tan color. And then this one is in the color sand. Comes folded. And it's like putting a sock over your head. Your face is right there. It covers everything, like your whole head, ears, and your neck. And I felt like I needed this to go underneath my scarves. Then I have on two of the hijabs. These are the chiffon. I have mostly chiffon hijabs and one crepe hijab. This green one that I have on is in the shade Forest Green. I think like the original price of these are like $11 or $12, but they're on sale right now for $5.99 each. Like any hijab on the website that's in stock. And then this tan one that I layered underneath is in the color Tawny. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Like they're really thin and airy, but they flow very nicely and they're easy to wrap. The next one I picked up is in the color Lavender. This is so cute. I just need to find the pink one was out of stock. So I got this lavender one. This is so pretty. Like it's long and wide. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do this. Like, look, this is what the undercap looks like. And then they have extra in the back. That's if you have hair and you put your hair in a bun. So your bun is also completely covered and there's room back there. This is what that lavender one looks like. And I will try this one on. This is so, this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love purples and pinks. This is so cute. The next hijab I'll be trying is the one in chocolate brown. Because if you know me, you know that I love neutral colors. Oh my gosh, especially brown. Like, that's my favorite color to wear. This is so, this is so pretty. And you can wear this with any outfit, like any color outfit. Oh my gosh, this is so, oh my gosh, this is so cute. The next color I'll be trying is this berry shade in Merlot. It's nice, a nice burgundy maroon color. This looks, oh my gosh, this deep color. Oh, this is so cute. And I used to not really like this kind of color because when I was in school, it was one of our uniform colors. So I had got tired of wearing it. But since I haven't worn it in like a decade, this looks really nice. The next color I'll be trying on is the shade Sahara. And this is like a really light nude. And you can wear this like if you're afraid of wearing white. This is so pretty. The next color should be a staple in anyone's collection. Black. Oh my goodness. This is like really, like, even though it's sheer, like, it's the true color. I can barely speak English, but it's a really nice, rich black. I wish, whenever the undercaps come back in stock, I'll definitely be getting me a black one. Black, like having black in any like clothing item is always essential. Like this, oh my gosh, oh, this looks so pretty. And you could just throw this color on with any outfit when you don't if you can't figure out what you want to wear. This next color is Skyline Blue. It's like a powder blue color. This is so pretty. And I thought it would be perfect for the spring. Oh my goodness. And I don't really wear blue like that. This is so pretty. Like, look at it. Look at how this color complements my skin tone. This is, oh, I think this is one of my favorites so far. I picked up another blue color, and this one is in the shade Midnight Blue. Oh, this is so nice. All of these are so nice. And and then with these, since they're so thin, like even if they were thicker, you can layer them and come up with different looks. Oh, I really like this one too. I picked up another nude color, and this is in the shade Barely Beige, because you cannot go wrong with having a bunch of nude scarves, because nude and neutral go with any and everything. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This next one I got just for the name. And the color is called Bestie. it looks like it's a nude, but it has like a tint of pink, of a pink undertone in it. This is so cute. Like, this is the closest I could get to pink because the pink one was sold out. This is so pretty. This next color is kind of similar to the last one. This one is in the shade Rose Nude. It's another nude colored scarf with a rose undertone, but it's not pink. Like, probably from like in my hand it doesn't look pink, but on camera you can see like the soft pink, like lavender undertone that it has. This is so pretty. And I would most likely wear this with something pink or something black because, you know, pink is one of my favorite colors. Another essential color that you need to have in your collection is, of course, white. The only thing, I probably wouldn't wear this with makeup because it will not come out. So I'm gonna try to be super careful putting this on. See, this is great. You can, like, if I wanted, if like how I would wear it, I would put on a colored one and then probably layer this on top just so I wouldn't get makeup on it. But oh my gosh, this gives you such a nice soft look. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And this is the white. This last scarf is one of the crepe scarves, hijabs. And I got this one in the color Buttercup. And this is the texture of this one. This looks so pretty. I also picked up the rib tie waist maxi dress in Cafe. And I got this in a size medium. It's long sleeve. It goes all the way down to my ankles. It has this belt that you can tie however you prefer. It comes all the way up to the neck. Oh my gosh, I got makeup on it. I'm so sad. And this was like $95. But luckily I had a coupon code, so I guess that made it a little better. But I'm definitely getting this in black and the chocolate brown because this is a nice dress and it's very great quality. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, push that bell notification button, and leave a comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And what was your favorite colored hijab or item that you've seen today in this haul? And I'll see you guys in the next video.